boys and girls, Miss Amanda here, and my friend Kiersten, and this week we're going to do videos on camping. Now right here in front of us we have something called a grill, and this is what you do to do outdoor cooking. But one thing that you have to do with the grill is you have to be safe, because once I take the lid off, see, there's hot coals on there, so we have to be very careful with fire safety. So if you're cooking outside, make sure that you have an adult with you. Alright, so Kiersten, we've got our grill.
Gotta turn it on.
We've got to turn it on. Alright, so we turn it on where? Turn our on buttons on. Yeah. We're going to turn our on buttons. Alright, and then what are we going to cook on this grill when we go camping?
Chicken.
We're going to cook some chicken. Okay. Put the chicken on the grill. Hear it cooking. What else are we going to do?
We're gonna do steak.
We're going to do steak. Okay. Hear that grilling. Then how else are we going to keep cooking?
We're gonna make a hamburger.
A hamburger. Alrighty.
And we're gonna make a vegetarian hamburger.
And a very vegetarian burger. You're right. A veggie burger?
Yep.
Alright. Okay, and then what are you using to put the food on the grill?
These grabby things.
Grabby things are called tongs.
Tongs.
Tongs. Alrighty. No, you don't put them in your mouth. You've got raw meat right here. Okay, so is that all we're gonna cook? We've got
We're gonna
steak.
cook a hot dog.
We're gonna cook hot dog. Okay. So on our grill, we've got a vegetarian burger. Oh, it's hot, so we gotta keep our hands away. We've got our vegetarian burger. We've got our steak. We've got our piece of chicken. We've got a hot dog and our burger. All right.
Now it's time to flip them.
Now it's time to flip them.
I'm gonna flip them with
You're gonna flip them with a spatula or the turner. So how do you use that?
you grab it, but this one.
Oh, okay. So you're gonna use the tongs to help move it over. Oh, there you go. Flip it over on the grill. Oh, look at that! A nice grilled steak there.
Yep. And
Yep.
now I'm gonna put it on the cooked plate.
On the cooked plate. Oh, so we don't want to put our meats on the raw plate. So after we cook them, we've got to make sure they're on a cooking plate, right?
Yep.
Oh, and there's our nice grilled steak.
Now we're gonna flip this one.
Flip that one. All right, and that's our veggie burger.
And look, it's cooked.
It's cooked, yeah. It's got all those green, it's got all those black marks on it, those charcoal marks from the grill.
And now we're gonna flip the chicken.
And the chicken.
Oh yeah.
The chicken. Oh! The dog got our chicken.
And no more chicken for us.
No more chicken, right? Because the dog got the chicken.
And now we're gonna this one's cooked. You can't really flip a hot dog.
You can't really flip a hot dog. You just kind of, if you can't flip it, what do you do with the hot dog? You what?
Roll it.
You roll it. Okay.
And now we're gonna flip our hamburger.
And now we're gonna flip our hamburger on the grill. So you're using these tools to keep you safe so you don't burn your hands.
And now this one's cooked.
And now that one's cooked. All right, so now what do we do? So now that all the food's cooked, what do we do with the grill?
We turn it off.
We turned it off, okay. So we're gonna turn it off, make sure it makes the sound. And then we put a what on top of it? The lid to keep it from going everywhere. So there's our fire safety. So now we've got all these yummy burgers and chicken. No, the chicken.
And now we have to prepare them.
Now we have to prepare them. Boys and girls, does anybody know what the word prepare means? Means get ready. So how are we going to prepare these meats so we can eat them for our picnic?
I'm gonna take the burger.
You're going to take the burger?
Patty thing.
The burger patty? And what are you going to do with the burger patty? What are you going to do with the burger patty?
I'm gonna.
That's okay, it's on our plate. Ooh, hot burger.
I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna get my bread.
Get your bread, so your bun.
Yeah, my cheese.
Your cheese.
My tomatoes and lettuce.
And tomatoes and lettuce. And you're going to put it all together and make a burger sandwich. So first you're going to start with what?
I'm gonna, at the bottom.
The bottom of the bun? Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some lettuce.
Put some lettuce on there.
And then I'm gonna put the patty.
The beef patty. Okay, the burger patty.
And
The tomato. Are you gonna put anything else on your burger?
And I'm gonna put cheese.
You're gonna put cheese on there. So you got the lettuce, the burger, the tomato, and the cheese.
And now I'm gonna put on the top bun.
On the top bun. That looks like quite a yummy burger there.
Okay, so our burger is done, so let's put it on there.
Burger's done. Okay. Oh, we forgot to cook the ribs. Well, I think our grill might still be hot. So should we put our ribs on there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. And put our ribs on there. Be careful, because it's hot.
And I'm gonna put it on. They're not cooked yet, so we have to.
Not cooked yet. All right. So while we're getting the rest of our food ready, we're gonna put the lid on there and let those ribs cook, aren't we?
Yeah.
Those are some good-looking ribs. All right.
And now we're gonna prepare the steak. We're gonna prepare the hot dog.
The hot
So
dog.
we're gonna take that hot dog piece and put it in a bowl.
Put it in the bun. Now, what else would we might want to put on our hot dog?
Ketchup.
Ketchup. Okay. So do we have ketchup?
I'm gonna take the ketchup and then I'll pour it on it.
Ooh, look at that. Ooh, good yummy. Oh.
No more hot dog.
No more hot dog. No more hot dog.
Bye bye the hot dog.
But that's okay. We still have our veggie burger and our steak. And oh, we're gonna cook the corn on the grill too. Okay. So
Okay. I think these are done.
you think the ribs are done? All right, come over this way so they can see. See, you think the ribs are done?
Yeah. Now we just gotta cook them.
Now we just gotta cook the corn.
Okay, so I'm gonna take the ribs off.
You're gonna take the ribs off? Alright, let's put our corn on there. Corn's not gonna stay like that, so let's put it like that. Oh, so we got our good yummy ribs. Now we'll let the corn cook on the grill. That'll be yummy in our tummy. We got us a good picnic here.
And then we have our steak and our veggie burger.
And our veggie burger. So if we're gonna eat, what do we put these on?
Plates.
We put them on plates.
We have 2 plates and 2 cups.
2 plates and 2 cups. Let's count them. 1, 2. And what color do you have?
Purple.
And I have
And
orange.
I'm gonna get an orange cup and I get
Oh, and I get an orange cup that matches my orange plate.
Do you want the burger, the ribs, or the steak, or the veggie burger?
I think I'm gonna try the steak.
Okay.
All right, so you gonna put it on my plate for me?
Yeah. This is hard.
You gonna put it on there for me? Yeah, you're being a good cook on the grill. Very good. There's my steak. Oh, that looks good. And what are you gonna have on our picnic?
I'm gonna have the hamburger.
You're gonna have the hamburger. All right, are we ready? Let's try our food.
I'm gonna put this over
And put that over there so it'll be out of our way.
And here's our ketchup, mustard, salt, and
Oh, so we got
hot sauce.
all the fixings. Oh, so you mean I got hot sauce for my burger? Okay. Or my steak.
I'm gonna take this first bun off and put some ketchup on there.
Yeah, and I'm gonna put some salt on mine. Very good. And this all looks good. Oh, do you think our corn is ready off the grill?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I need to cut the corn.
You're gonna cut the corn? All right, we ready? Let's
How about we both get half of the corn?
Okay, all right, let's take our corn off the grill. We ready? Ooh, that looks like good corn.
Now I'm gonna lay it side.
We're gonna lay it sideways. Yeah, and then you're gonna cut it?
Yeah.
Okay.
With be safe with the knife.
Be safe with the knife. You're right. Be safe with the knife. All right.
Now you're gonna have half and I'm gonna have.
I'm gonna have half. All right. So we're gonna use our tongs again because it's hot, right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
There's your corn piece and my corn piece.
It's good to eat outside. All right, you ready? Let's sit down and eat. Ready?
Okay, I'm gonna eat my hamburger.
And eat your hamburger.
Wait,
I'm
first I have to put some stuff.
Okay. I'm gonna eat my steak. Good yummy steak. And your good corn.
I'm
Alrighty.
done with my hamburger.
You're done with your hamburger. All
Now I'm
right.
gonna eat the corn.
Oh, that was a good picnic, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yep. Bye, boys and girls.